channel. I'm super excited for today's recipe. It's so much fun. I'm gonna be showing you how to doctor up a box cake mix and even a store-bought frosting as well. Now this recipe is so foolproof and pure perfection. You could even prepare it in your air fryer or a pressure cooker. You don't even need an oven, and I guarantee that these techniques that I'm gonna be showing you today, you have never seen before. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the two items I'm gonna be working with today. Add your box cake mix to a bowl and look at the instructions on the back of the box. For however many eggs it says to add, you're gonna reserve the whites and just add the yolks to the bowl. For the amount of water it says to add, go ahead and choose either buttermilk, sour cream, or yogurt. These alternatives are gonna add rich flavor and an even more tender crumb to your already moist cake. Lastly, instead of oil, you're gonna use butter that's either been melted or is at room temperature. Place it to the side for a minute, and with your handheld mixer, you're gonna whip on the highest speed those reserved egg whites. After about 2 minutes, they should be super thick with stiff peaks. You're gonna leave them for a second and transfer the mixture onto the other bowl. Go ahead and give it a good mix, incorporating all that butter with the yolks and the flour mixture. Once you have this nice thick batter, you're gonna go ahead and add half of those beaten egg whites, mix it up to loosen it up a bit, and then add the remainder of the whites, but this time slowly folding them in just until they're combined. Place the batter onto a greased and floured baking pan. All the baking times for whichever size pan you're using will be listed down below in the description box. These are my absolute favorite cupcake liners. You don't even need a cupcake pan because they have a wax lining on the inside. I'll leave the link down below where to get these from as well. Place the cupcakes into your air fryer. You're gonna cover them with foil and make a slit on top, and you're gonna air fry these at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. If you guys wanna bake this in your pressure cooker, be sure to click on the link at the end of this video for full detailed instructions. Now, quick and easy for the frosting, you're gonna need a small container of heavy whipping cream. Add it to a bowl and whip it on high for 2 to 3 minutes. So once it's nice and thick with stiff peaks, immediately stop beating and place it to the side. Add to a bowl the store-bought frosting, and look at how thick that is. Oh my gosh, it's just too much. You're gonna mix in a spoonful of that whipped cream to thin it out a bit, and then gently fold in the remainder so that it all gets nicely combined. This frosting is ready to use as is, or for a more firm consistency, you'll want to chill it in the fridge for at least an hour. I couldn't wait to use it right away. This frosting, you guys, tastes exactly identical to one of those soft serve ice cream cones, you know, from your favorite fast food place. It's so delicious, and best of all, it's not too sweet. But can we talk about this cake for a second? Oh my gosh, you guys, the texture was absolutely insane. It was delicate and firm all at the same time. The taste completely changed and made me feel like I was eating a wedding cake from a high-end bakery. It was absolutely mind-blowing, you guys. I was just extremely satisfied with the end results and was excited to share this technique with you guys today. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.